No, not on the job training. You need to have a little bit before you get started. And what's the funny thing, guys? Most states don't even require any. They don't even have any training. They give you a commission and just say bye. But you need to take it upon yourself if you want it to be a business. So let's keep going here. Miss Andrea said, do you need to have a LLC and a license? So most states, you do not have to have a business license or an LLC to get started. The moment you realize you're going to do it as a real business, though, I highly recommend that you get all your ducks in a row.
Yeah.
You want to be a business. You want taxes, you want the tax benefits, and you just want to have everything together.
Yeah. And we talked about this a little bit earlier. When I started my business, I did not have an LLC. Well, actually, I'm lying. I had an LLC from a previous business, but I did not get a business license for my notary business until later. But what I ended up doing is when I got my business license for the county, it says, what date did your business start? I put the date that I actually started and not the date that the day was. So you can do it that way.
Right. Yeah. So just get started. Because a lot of times people say, I got to have my LLC. I got to have my EIN. I got to have this. I got to have my business checking account. I got to have this. I got to have business credit. You don't need all that. Let's just get started. Then you can fluff it up and make it look all pretty. Right. LLC. Do I like LLC behind my business name? I sure do. But did I have when I first started? I did not. So don't stall. I hate when people say, well, I got to have all of this stuff before I get started. No, you don't.
So in other words, don't go spending a lot of money that's unnecessary.
You would get there. And again, I love seeing LLC. I'm Notary Educators LLC, none better LLC. But that's not important. I want to make sure you want to do the business. You might go out there and say, I don't like being on notary.
Right.
I don't want to go to these people's houses with these dogs and all that stuff. So take your time. Okay, let's keep going. Unlimited Impact says we make it
unlimited.
Yes, we do. I love having Angela in my corner.
Hi, Yolanda.
So Lisa Lee says she'd love to collaborate. Check us out. Send us a message over at Notary Educators. Let's see where you are. Linda definitely needs a notary buddy. If anybody in Tampa, reach out to Miss Linda. Tracy says she needs a buddy in Texas. And don't forget, your buddy don't necessarily have to be where you live at. You just need a good quality notary in your corner. How about that? Wyona says anyone in Houston, she'd like to team up. Mills Notary, somebody in Jonesboro.
Oh, okay. We talked some people in Jonesboro.
Yeah, you might need to
train some people in Jonesboro.
And Jasmine says she currently works with escrow officers, so I'm familiar with the loan docs. Okay. Do you recommend a training course on the NNA website, or can I find same? I'm sure that's training elsewhere. What kind of training are you referring to, Jasmine, with that question?
Yeah, because if you're already working with escrow officers and doing the documents, I mean, what kind of training would you need?
Yeah, what else do you need? Let us know. Stephanie, can you explain more about the witness situation? When do you need them? And did you also say they need to be a notary? No, your witnesses do not have to be a notary. I always say have a witness list. It could be your mother, father. If you watch my videos, you see my mom serves as a witness, my husband, my father-in-law serves as a witness sometimes for me.
Angela serves as a witness sometimes.
Angela is a notary, but she also serves as a witness for me. We serve as witnesses for her. So they do not have to be notaries also. And a witness is needed depending on what kind of document you have, depending on what type of document. You want to talk a little more about that, Angela?
Just that if the document, and that's another question you need to ask when you are on the phone doing your screening. And if they need a witness, you need to ask how many witnesses they need. So Kim mentioned earlier, have a list because they don't always have a witness because they don't want nobody knowing their business that they're doing a loan modification or they doing this or that. So have a witness list. That way, if they need a witness, you can say, oh, I have a witness list. I mean, a witness, I have some witnesses. If you need one, you can have one of mine, but there's a $25 fee. So have a list of witnesses. That will do so much for your business. I know this why this one man always calls me because he's like, can you bring one of the witnesses that you got? Because they don't want to have to deal with it. They think it's easy. They think it's great for the business, but always have a witness. Even I have a job to Wednesday, and the company called me back and said, can you provide a witness? So even the companies, if you work for companies, sometimes they need you to provide a witness.
Mm-hmm. And you may not get a signing at a signing company because sometimes the requirement says notary must provide witness. And if you don't have a witness list or someone you can call, you just missed out on $100, $70 just because you didn't have a witness list. So always be prepared. And the witness fee, like Angela said, she provides those for her clients. You charge that back to the client. So
Yeah.
if her original bill with that client was $75 and now she has to get a witness for them, say the witness fee is $25. Now that person's bill is 100, or she
Yeah.
needs to provide two. Now
Mm-hmm.
they're at 125. So you put all that expense because no one's going to leave their house under $25.
Right.
And actually, I end up paying my father-in-law most days more. Certain people already know that they'll come, but I know they want a little bit more. He's
Right.
older and he's got on his bed. I'm not gonna give him $10 to
So
sign this person $200,000 document. Come on.
yeah. So we're gonna be wrapping it up soon. So let's get through as many questions as
Okay,
we
let me keep going.
can.
Let me keep going.
Yeah.
So, got a couple more people looking for. Yes, this will be recorded for all the people looking for notary buddies. You guys can chat together. Can you market directly in an attorney state? Title companies in an attorney state. You can market to whoever you want to, because sometimes with the attorneys, it may not be maybe a real estate document. It may be like a divorce attorney, and they need you to go out, or elder law, like an older couple, like older people rather, and
Mm-hmm.
they need you to come out and they can't get to the office, and an attorney may
Yeah.
hire you. I've had that happen too. The attorney will
Right.
hire me. They find me on Google and they'll send me
Mm-hmm.
to do something.
Yeah. So Yolanda wants to know any tips on medical notary. Already a nurse want to do power of attorney, healthcare. So all of that's general notary work, Yolanda. We all do all of those documents. Power of attorneys, healthcare power of attorneys, healthcare proxies. People call us all the time to do those. So there's no particular specialty with that. That's general notary work.
So we'll keep going. Miss Lynette says, thanks for the honesty about naming your business. Replay. George,
Dallas, Georgia.
yeah, let's see. Yeah, it's our pleasure, guys. It really is. And we love that you're hearing clarity. It's clear. Sandy Powell says the same thing, clear information. Yes, it's very doable. Exquisite Caribbean Queen is one of our students. She says,
Yes, yes. Hey, exquisite.
I think you need to do mock examples so everyone can be comfortable. That's why some people are timid. I'm talking the popular ones. I'm not quite sure all about that one. Let's see. Hi, where do you go to get started as general notary in Georgia? Is there a website? No, unfortunately, it's not. It's no handbook on how to start your business. We give you that in training. So what you'll find on the Georgia website is just to get your commission. They give it to you and just say go. There
The
is a
handbook, but the
yes,
handbook is on the court's website.
yeah, the handbook is $10, and that's at the Georgia
Mm-hmm.
Clerk Superior Office, I think it is.
Mm-hmm.
Clubhouse. Lynette says, I'm thinking about being a part of the Great Resignation and have my own progressive notary business. Are you a part of the Great Resignation? Well, kind of, sort of. Actually, I had a little job that I just kind of got rid of. Yeah, I had a little extra job I just got rid of. So I guess I would be kind of part of that. I didn't know my notary business was going to do what it has done. So I didn't even know that was a thing really until like 2 years ago. So if I haven't established a business structure name, you just suggest getting one or using my name. You don't have to have the structure in place to get connected, but don't forget you want to go ahead and if you're just forming your name, make sure it's something like with mobile notary in it if you can, instead of something super fancy where people can't find you.
Jeanette said, "Do you have signers and witnesses thumbprints on all signings?" I don't know what state you're in, but like Kimmy said, look at your handbook.
Yeah, because all states don't require.
Yeah, all don't require thumbprints.
Thank you about the ebook, Linda. That's on Amazon. It's called Start Your Notary Business. It's not that complicated. Thank you, Jeanette and Linda, for getting the book. Lisa says, I will support you ladies, and thanks for sharing. Our pleasure. Do you recommend paying for the training from the NNA website? Yes, I do. The middle package is what we recommend.
And we all took it.
Yeah, we all took the middle package. No additional training besides that. We really self-taught, and if you're not going to self-teach, I recommend the NNA middle package, and then we can assist you. There's no need to pay for the rest of your life for training. Diane says, hey,
Diane.
She says, Kimmi, Alexis, and Angela are fantastic teachers. I highly recommend their class. And she's taken 2 with us. We appreciate it. Fatima.
Fatima. Hi, Fatima.
Not sure what Fatima's saying. And then Latasha said, what equipment do you need? Any recommendations on printers? So I won't go into that too much, Latasha. We have Brothers printers. I found some people use HP stuff. We have Brothers, and I love that.
I love my brother. I've always had Brothers even before I started this business.
Yeah, so we have Brothers printers. I have scanners. My scanner is an Epson actually, and I have 2. I have a mobile scanner. I have one here at the home.